Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to take screenshots on your Mac, whether you need the entire screen, a specific area, or all the advanced options in one place. Let's jump right in. First up, taking a screenshot of your entire screen. Just press Command plus Shift plus 3. You will hear a little camera click and your screenshot will be saved straight to your desktop. That's it, super quick. Next, if you only want a specific part of your screen, press Command plus Shift plus 4. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Click and drag to select the area you want to take a screenshot of. When you release the mouse, the portion will be saved as a screenshot. Finally, if you want all the options in one place, like capturing a window, recording your screen, or changing where the screenshots are saved, press Command plus Shift plus 5. A small menu will pop up at the bottom of your screen. From here, you can choose to capture the whole screen, a selected window, or just a portion. You can also start a recording from here, and if you click on the Options menu, you can pick exactly where you want your future screenshots or recordings to be saved. And that's it, guys. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you next time.